guys, welcome to your Christmas math packet. You should have in front of you your pages that say My Christmas Math Packet. Make sure that you put your name at the bottom of your packet and you can color it to make it nice and fun. You have 5 pages to do for this math packet. You can do them as quickly or as slowly as you would like. If you want to finish them up in just 2 days and be done and have your Christmas vacation start by Wednesday, that's great. If you want to do 1 a day and finish by Friday, that's fine. So let me tell you the reglas for this week for homework. I'm going to be flying out on Wednesday, so I won't be pendiente to my phone at all on Wednesday. But I've designed your homework so all of your homework for me should be able to be finished up by Tuesday. So Monday and Tuesday, today and tomorrow, you should be able to do everything. And then you can have your vacation, everything except for Mr. Matthews' videos. I think you have one for Thursday. But other than that, you should be able to finish everything up by Wednesday. Whether or not you finish it by Wednesday is up to you. But I need to have everything by Friday. If you are still working on homework, if you still are doing tarea después de viernes, do not send it to me después de viernes. I will not be pendiente. If you want to send me something like Merry Christmas, how are you, how is the United States, or something like that, sure, go for it. I would love to talk to you. But if it's homework or if it's questions, preguntas about homework, after Friday, I will not answer them. Wait until January 11th. When we are back at school on January 11th, then I will answer your questions. So después de 18, no más preguntas, no más fotos, nada. Okay, let's talk about what you're supposed to do for your math packet. Your first page says connect the numbers. So you have a gingerbread man and a cupcake that you can color and make all nice and happy. Look at the numbers in the gingerbread column. So you have 2 sections, this section and this section. It's the same directions. So look at the numbers in the gingerbread man column. Round each number to the nearest 10. Draw a line to that number in the cupcake column. So look at this first number. Your first number is 11. Round 11 to the nearest 10. Well, here's your 10. You look at the 1. What does 1 tell you to do? Round up or stay the same? Stay the same. So this rounds to 10. So find the 10 in the cupcake column. Here. Boop, there it is. So you'll draw a line from the 11 to the 10. Okay? Finish that up there on that page. Then you have a second section with very much the same directions, except this one is the hundreds. So you look at the numbers in the gingerbread column. Round this number to the nearest 100 and draw a line to match it to the number in the cupcake column. So the first number here is 288. The number in the hundreds place is the 2. We look at the 8 to tell us what to do. Do I round up or do I keep it the same? Well, since 8 is 5 or greater, we round up. So the 2 becomes a 3, and everything else behind it becomes a 0. So we round up to 300. So find our 300. Whoop, there it is. So we'll draw a line from 288 to 300. And you finish the rest on your page the same way. All right, your next page is called Merry, Merry Math. It says solve each addition and subtraction problem. So that's all you need to do, add and subtract on this page. Watch out for borrowing. There is some borrowing with your subtraction. And of course, you can add some color to make it fun. Turn the page. Your next exercise says skip counting by 3. Skip count by 3 to help Rudolph get to the sleigh. So here's Rudolph. He wants to get down here to his sleigh. So we have to help him get there by skip counting. Says color each multiple of 3 along his path. End at 102. So you're counting, when it says skip counting is when you count by 3s. So if I'm going to skip count by 3, I start with 0, 3. That's, here, let me show you a little better. 3. What number comes after 3? When I count by 3s, 3. 3 more is 6. Very good. Now I have 2 6s, 6 here or 6 here. You can go with either one that you want to. So pick 1 6, color it in. So I'm going to go here. What comes next by 6? 6 plus 3 is 9. Again, I have 2 choices for 9. I can choose either one. I'm going to choose this one. 9 plus 3 is 12. So I'm going to go to this 12 here. Okay? Now, sometimes, let me see how I can explain this. All right, when you are skip counting, when you count by 3s, on this, sometimes you will have more than one choice. Sometimes when you skip count by 3, so for example, let's say I skip counted like this. 3, 6, 9, 12. What's 12 plus 3? 15. Do you see a 15? No, no 15s, so I have to go a different way. 12, 15. There we go. So what you might want to do is do a pencil first to make sure in case you have to erase and go a different way to find the right number. Because the numbers, it has to be a path. The numbers have to be next to each other. If they're not next to each other, then you have to erase and go a different way. Then when you're all done, you can color in the final path, okay? So let me show that again, just so that there's less confusion. So 0, 3, what comes next is 6. So let's say I go 6 here. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. I could do 12 here, 12 here. Well, if I go 12 here, the next number is 15, and I can get to 15. If I go to 12 here, the next number is 15, but there is no 15 touching this 12. So I can't go to this 12, I have to choose this one. Okay? So you have to think a little bit and think a little bit ahead. It's okay to erase and go back the other direction. So use a pencil in case you have to do that. Okay? It says be careful, you may need to look 2 or 3 boxes ahead to avoid dead ends, to avoid getting stuck. All right, go to the next page, and of course you can color every page so that you have add a little bit of fun to it. The next one says a series of snowmen. Multiply, divide, add, and subtract. Write the new numbers in the snowman frames. So we start on the first one with 2. Your directions say multiply by 8. So 2 times 8 is 16, very good. So you put the 16 right here in the snowman's belly. Your next directions say subtract 2. So 16 minus 2 is 14. So you'll put 14 here in the snowman's belly. Then it says divide by 7. 14 divided by 7 is 2. So we'll put 2 here in the snowman's belly. Add 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. So we put 10 here. All right, and you'll finish those just like that. And our last page, a candy Christmas. So for this one, you have different multiplication problems in different spots of the candy. You need to solve the multiplication problem and then look for the answer in the color code. Find the answer and color that spot of the candy, the color that matches the number for that answer. So for example, let's look at this one right here. 8 times 7. What is 8 times 7? 56. Very good. Come down here to our color code. Find the number 56. It's right there. Okay, 56. What color goes with 56? Yellow. So we'll color this piece of the candy yellow. All right, and you'll do that for each multiplication problem. The pieces, the spots that don't have a multiplication problem, you can color whatever color you want. All right, those are your pages for your math packet. I hope that you have fun with it. Have a Merry Christmas. I love you guys very much. Bye.